So today the market was down a lot, but TSLQ, which is a ETF against Tesla, was up massively. And within our Discord community, which is completely free, you guys can get access to all the tools we're going to be talking about here. Our trading bot ended up taking 4 positions this week. All of them hit for a very solid profit, over 14%. And what we're going to do is share with you guys what the exact requirements were, why the bot actually ended up entering, where do I think Tesla and TSLQ will go in the next couple of days, and if I would continue to play TSLQ, and because if I think Tesla's going to continue to go down, TSLQ might be a good trade. So we're going to go through all of that, as well as much more. Like I said, in our Discord community, which is free, you can just go to the TSLQ bot section, and all of our trading bot alerts will be here for free for you on TSLQ, and this is where you'll be able to find the information that we'll be going over right now. So the way that the actual alerts are sent out is via webhook. So you can see all of these are plotted with a time, a date, and obviously a price. But the requirements that we have set are very simple for this. All we're looking for is for price to close greater than the 11 SMA, price to close greater than the 50 SMA, and the RSI to increase. If you don't know what any of those are, you can go to our Discord community, go to the courses and seminars section, and take our free technical analysis mastery course. Very simple. A lot of the indicators that we use are very simple here at Traders Helping Traders, but it's because they're effective. Now, our actual stop loss conditions, which you'll see here at the bottom right side of your screen, these are actually going to be set at 2% right here and about 5%. So this means that if TSLQ goes up 2%, we will close out our trade. And if it goes down 5%, we will take a loss. But something that you'll probably notice right off the bat here is that if we're working with 2% as a take profit, then how come we ended up making more than 2% in every single one of these trades? And the reason for that is within our scripting, we have something very specific. And this is at the bottom, exit after the number of candles have closed. So all this means is that Tesla has to go up 2%, but we will not actually close the candles on Tesla or TSLQ until the candles close. Once the candles close, that's when we will exit our position, which is why, for instance, here you can see that we had a 7% gap this morning and we ended up taking profits here. So that's very, very simple. And obviously that's all it's going to be every single time. And if we look here, going back up, and I actually were to run this through and allow you guys to see this in full screen, the data is very staggering, actually. If we were to actually look at this entire table, you're going to see that within the past 15 months, we would have made 96% returns on our money, while TSLQ only was actually down 26%. So not only did we beat the market, beat TSLQ in this case, we beat it by like 5 or 6 times. It wasn't even profitable. Now, the other thing you can see is that we've taken 102 positions and we had a win rate of 75%, which is fairly high. Something else to note is going to be our max drawdown was 25% from highs to lows, and our max win streak was 12 wins with an average return of 2.4%. That's about 26% run in a row. And our max loss was about 3 with 7% losses. So that's about 21% loss in a row. And so looking at this now, it seems that TSLQ is probably going to continue to move up within the next couple of days. The biggest thing is going to be seeing if this pulls back and if we're able to hold $35. Because if we move over to Tesla here, you're going to see on Tesla we had this gap down, obviously from earnings. We're attempting to hold this level, but there is nothing bullish at this moment that is quite happening on Tesla. So if you guys want access to both of these trading bots, the TSLA and the TSLQ one, they're both in our Discord community for free. And if you guys want me to do more updates like this on these trading bots and potential trades, then comment down below and let me know. Thanks for all the support, guys. If you want to trade alongside of me every single day, you guys can do so by using the second link in the description. It's $50 per month, and I promise you guys it is more than worth it. Today alone, we ended up closing out over $10,000, which would pay for close to 20 years of your membership with us. But the reason that we do a monthly fee is that the whole point is to keep you guys here and to keep you making money. If we don't do our job, then there's no need for you guys to have an actual membership. And it's not one of those things where I'm going to charge you one time for $1,000 and then be like, yeah, whatever happens, happens, you're fine. No, like, we want our community to grow, and that's what we're looking for. So close out $10,212 today. These were the trades. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.